Hello students, welcome to our English classes for class 10 and today I am going to teach you the tale of Custard the Dragon poem written by Ogden Nash. Let us meet our writer. Ogden Nash, born August 19, 1902, died May 19, 1971. Well known as humorous poet, and his wonderful creations are Hard Lines, Line Up for Yesterday, The Adventure of Isabel, etc. The poem is written in the style of a ballad or a song. It narrates the tale of dragon's courage and heroism. The same dragon was condemned as a coward until he killed the robber. Blinda lived in a little house. She had 4 pets: a little black kitten, a grey mouse, a little yellow dog, and a little pet dragon. The kitten was named as Ink. The mouse was called Blink. The mouse was called Blink. The dog was called Mustard, while the dragon, being a coward, was called Custard. Custard had big, sharp teeth, thin pointed metal spikes on its head, and overlapping plates of hard material covering the skin. His mouth was like a furnace and his nose like a chimney. He had weapons like nails or claws on his toes. Blinda and all her pets were boastful of their bravery. She was brave like a number of bears. Ink and Blink thought they could chase lions down the stairs. Mustard the dog was brave like a tiger, but Custard hid in a safe cage. Blinda and her pets made fun of the dragon. They would sit in their little red wagon and laughed at the cowardly dragon. Blinda shook the house with her silly laughter. The cat and the dog asked Custard his age. When he cried for the safety of a cage, suddenly they heard an unpleasant sound. The dog growled and the cat mewed. Blinda was also frightened because a robber was seen at the window. When the pets made fun of dragon, Blinda started laughing. The robber carried pistol in both hands and a small sword in his teeth. His beard was black and his one leg was made of wood. It was clear that his intentions were not good. Blinda's face turned pale and she nervously cried for help. The dog also barked in pain and fled in fear. The cat slipped down to the bottom of the house while the mouse ran into his hole. Only Custard was not frightened. He breathed the air out noisily from his nostril like an engine. He beat his tail like irons and produced frightening sounds. With such noise and movement, he pounced up the pirates or the robber and ate him up. Blinda hugged him gratefully. The dog also licked. Blinda hugged him gratefully. The dog also licked him lovingly. No one felt grieved for the robber who had been killed by the dragon. The cat and the mouse danced joyfully around the hero dragon. But after a while the little dog declared that he too would have proved his bravery only if he had not been excited with drinking. Ink and Blink, the cat and the mouse, also boasted of their bravery. Custard also agreed with them all and made no loud claim or heroism. So students, here by this poem we came to know that the things on which we make fun, that can be a very powerful and extremely good things which we don't want to accept. and we can't boost our bravery. Bravery are not the things that we can boost. It is the thing that we sow at the time of the requirement. As we can see the custard, how the dragon was teased by his friend, by the other pets, but at last, at the time of need, the dragon has shown his power and he has proved that he was the bravest. So it also shows that all that glitter is not gold. So this is the moral of this chapter. Now let us see what you have understood through this poem. Your question 1 is, who described as the most timid of all? Option A, kitten. Option B, mouse. Option C, dragon. And option D, dog. Yes, your correct answer is option B, mouse. Question 2, what all does the dragon possess? Option A, big sharp teeth. Option B, spikes on top of him. Option C, sharp toes. And option D, all of the above. Yes, absolutely right. Your correct answer is option C, that is sharp toes. Question 3, who saved everyone from the pirate? Option A, kitten. Option B, mouse. Option C, dragon. And option D, dog. Yes, the right answer is option B, that is mouse. Now this is your homework time and your homework questions are on the screen. Read the extract and answer the following question. Go through the lines, identify the lines from the chapter and then attempt the questions. Long answer type question which you need to answer in 100 to 120 words. The question is there. Note it down and do it correctly. Thank you. See you soon in our next video.
पूजन वाला और आज वाला इकट्ठे लिख दीजिए। आज की डेट में लिख दीजिए।
आज एक डेट में दोनों कह दिए।
देखेंगे कहाँ है
वीडियो में नहीं होगा ना, उसमें होगा डॉक्यूमेंट्स में।
देखिए
It is running. हमको लगता है हम भी नहीं सेव किए क्या। आज मेरा दिन ही खराब है।